Good afternoon, Kurt here with RA-TECH. Today I'd like to introduce a cool new product we have. It's a magazine extension for a Glock magazine. This is made from 6061 aluminum, all CNC, and what it does is increases the gas capacity on the magazine by about 25%, allowing for about the same amount of extra shots. Now you can see in here our slide has 4 magnets and it's very nice. Just put it in and it closes up and it's very solid, easy to take apart, easy to close. And you see how it's machined inside here, which allows for extra gas in here. Also, it's a very large chunk of aluminum, so it acts as a heat sink, which will allow the recovery time on the magazine to warm up faster. This complete extended magazine is compatible with Umarex, WE, Marui, VFC, and KJ gas blowback Glock pistols. Here we have an example of a complete magazine. You can see it has a nice anodized coating. So this would be what the finished product will look like. Also, when you put the magnetic strip back, it just pops back into place perfectly. Okay, when we put the magazine in the gun here, you can see it's a very nice looking mag, and it gives it really nice feel and extra weight on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to test to see the difference between how many shots we can do with a regular magazine and then our extended gas capacity magazine. Okay, that's about all that's in this magazine. I counted 84 shots. And now we're going to test the temperature of the magazine to see how cold it is. And it's looking at about 10.8 degrees at the bottom, about 12.6 at the top, 9.5 at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to conduct the same test, but with our new extended gas chamber on the magazine. Okay, so on that test I got about 114 shots. Compared to 84 on the last test, that's a significant amount of gain. Now we're going to test the temperature of this magazine. And the magazine is about 18.9 degrees and about 11.9 or 12 on the aluminum. So you can see this magazine stays significantly warmer because of the heatsink on the bottom. So as you can see from our tests, the original magazine compared to our extended magazine, we have about 30% more gas capacity in the extended magazine. Also at the end, this one was just around 12 degrees, whereas this magazine was around 18 degrees. So even after shooting that many more shots, this was about 6 degrees Celsius warmer, which shows a much faster recovery time on the magazine. Okay, now we're going to perform another test. And we're going to test the stability of the FPS with the original magazine and the extended magazine using 20 shots. First, the original magazine. Okay, now we're going to test the extended magazine, and hopefully it's an improvement over the factory mag. Okay, after several tests, we found that with 20 rounds, the regular magazine starts around 350 feet per second and ends up somewhere around 314, 311. So we're losing anywhere from 35 to 40 FPS. Now the extended magazine starts out around the same, around 350 FPS. But in every test, we've had it end up somewhere around 330. Or the lowest we had was 327, which is a loss of only about 20 to 23 FPS. So it's quite a substantial difference and a lot more stable. So if you like this product, either the Magwell extension or a complete mag, it will be coming soon to Airsoft Taiwan online store.